Video.
I shape my life. What I choose to do makes all the difference. I choose
Ba't
Nestle.
tuminga?
May sipon.
I eat well.
Tawagin mo si Justin. Justin.
I shape me.
Justin. Nasaan si Justin?
Why should I hire this?
Justin Bieber? Tata? Tito? Tito?
Tito. Lahat na lang sa'yo, Tito. Papatito mo. Justin.
Ito, mami.
My hair has a mind of its own sometimes. It'll look dry and frizzy and then it'll go off to the side.
New Dove Nourishing Oil Care has revolutionary neutral oils to intensely moisturize hair, leaving it soft and smooth.
My hair is now
Kiss mo,
part
kiss
of
mo. Kiss mo, Tito. Kiss.
into place.
Papa.
Much easier. I can blow dry.
Tito
it.
ah, hindi Papa.
It's good. I'm a Dove girl and I love it.
Kinis.
Kinis. Kinis. Kiss mo, kiss mo.
Tama na. Ito ba? Hinanap pa yung mukha. Hinanap pa yung mukha ni Justin.
Kaso si Eric. Kaso si Eric. Eric. Kaso si Eric
Ano
ko.
si Eric? Anahin ni Eric eh.
Wag na, wag na. Peer.
New Magnum Classic
Ito. Sauce sa suka.
Belgian chocolate.
Shake hands.
Ice cream. Now in the Philippines.
Shake hands.
Ayaw? Ayaw? Chicken star, chicken.
Isang rice improver mix na may pandan flavor at thyme jasmine rice flour. Kaya ang kanin na
Amoy bagong ani.
Pure rice mix. Ordinaryong bigas gawing pang kanin breakfast.
What 3 Plus milk will give you more?
Smile, smile.
Kasi you get more, di ba? Is that true?
Wait, waki, waki.
Check natin.
Waki.
Wait. Waki.
Among 3 Plus milk, all have essential vitamins, minerals, calcium, and protein. But this
Wait. Waki.
Dungis.
But this is the only one with lactose cells protect us and Prebio 3.
Must be expensive. Oh, wow. Talaga? What's this brand?
Patingin nga yan.
Nido 3 Plus? Siksik na, pero di kasi mahal.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Always check the label. Nido 3 Plus. Lab tested siksik, pero di kasi mahal.